All right, hey guys, tomorrow dispatch, May 13. We're going to go ahead and Ryan and Jordan, you guys will be backfilling out at Twin Ponds, raking, grooming, seed and straw. Couple of notes. I will be heading out that way with empty trailer, straw, and Ryan, please let me know if we need seed and anything else you guys might need. We can send it out with Jordan in the morning. The customer was able to get the sleeve removed from his foundation, so you guys, we can go ahead and run the sewer pipe into the house, and let's go ahead and do that and get some pictures and cover it up. Then yeah, the inspector was concerned that the riser over the first compartment was not sealed, in terms of she spun the lid, and then the sleeve, the riser that screws down, also screwed off with the lid. So I figure that once we get the dirt around that riser, that it'll seal it up and it won't spin, and so you can remove the lid safely. So we're going to demonstrate that. Let's make sure that actually happens. And then that'll be it. I'll be out there in the afternoon with the empty trailer and a new culvert, and we'll get that job site all wrapped up. It'll be good. Becky, you're gonna be down at Grape Avenue, Dylan Ochala's. We're gonna pull that gravel out of the footing that we put in place, set it aside, drop the footing down, the footing trench down. We're gonna go down 24 inches from where we sit right now at the top of the gravel. So we'll drop it down. We can throw some more gravel in there on the bottom, and then that'll be all for down there. I will be getting the excavator down there in the morning. You can meet me at the shop at 7 a.m. Let's make it 7:30. And we will get some straw on there. We'll get the regular 24-inch bucket on there. If you want to go to the shop and get these things tied down, and the machine needs to be tied down still as well, that'd be fine. We are going to also take a section of 3/4-inch copper pipe, as well as a couple of couplers, just in case. I know that the water line is running through the yard somewhere. We have not gotten that located. It is downstream of the shutoff, so we'll go ahead and shut off the water before we do this work first thing in the morning down there. And then if we hit the water line, we'll repair it, and we'll take a little repair kit with us. I think we'll be all right, but there's a chance. So that's gonna be for you tomorrow, Becky. Tristan and Ben, you guys are gonna keep going. Before you start on the main house, if you've not gotten word from the project manager, John, as to whether or not we're going to stick with the existing elevation or drop it down 12 inches, then let's check in with me before you transition over to the house and start working on the house, because we might be dropping the elevation of the house down 12 inches in order to create more dirt. So that's all. We're going to try to keep going while this sun is shining, and hopefully we can have some dry weather and get keep our jobs going. So that's all for now. Thanks, everyone. Ryan and Jordan, if you guys want to touch base and see how early you want to start, I think you guys should be fine finishing up pretty, probably early afternoon. I'm anticipating you guys will finish up. That soil is really soft and workable, and you guys will be able to rake it out nice. So Ben, you can start. Tristan says you have things that you can do before he gets there. He's planning to get there at 8, so you can go ahead and if you want to go ahead and get started early. Tristan says you have things that you know what to do and you can get started on, so you're welcome to get up there and get started before 8. If you want to wait till Tristan gets there at 8, that's fine too. Becky, I'm going to meet you at the yard at 7:30, so that's good to go there. Ryan and Jordan, I would suggest you guys maybe take an hour, leave your houses at 7 or so, and get started, and go ahead and try to meet up there at 8 and get things underway. should be mostly dried out by now.